If you're still updating your Shopify inventory by hand, logging into your admin, clicking through each product, and changing numbers one at a time, you're wasting hours. Meet FlexSync. FlexSync connects your Shopify store directly to Google Sheets, giving you real-time two-way inventory sync from a spreadsheet. First, head to the Shopify App Store, search for FlexSync, and click Install. Once it's in your admin, click Let's Get Started. Next, connect your Google account by giving all the necessary permissions. Now, choose your spreadsheet. You can either let FlexSync create a brand new one or link an existing sheet by pasting the URL. Then, select which columns to export. Last step, enable real-time sync. Copy the app script from FlexSync, open extensions in your Google Sheet, paste it in, save the script, and click Run. A pop-up will appear asking for permissions. Give the permissions, and that's it. Your store and spreadsheet are now connected. Now you can bulk edit products with simple copy-paste, use Google Sheets formulas to automate pricing updates, and have every change sync instantly back to Shopify. No manual work, no re-uploads, and no headaches. FlexSync is free to get started, and paid plans include a 14-day free trial. Check the link in the description. Install it today.